Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Do you guys know what this is? Ever seen one of these? Well, my good buddy makes these, and I'm going to share them with you. There was a lot of questions about it from an Instagram post that I done. So, before we get into this, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on other bits and bobs, gizmos and gadgets, things and stuff, whatever may be coming down the line. Appreciate all the support. Here we go. So, this thing is made by Mr. J.C. Messer, and it's a thing, but it's a quite cleverly executed thing. So this is a field sharpening kit, and it's a little different than the norm, but it has the basic stuff you need in your kit. So most of it is contained in one piece. I added a ceramic rod to it, but the strop portion and the stone is contained in this fancy leather deal here. And the idea is, depending on how you want to do it. So if I was just going to put my foot in it, I would make this in big enough to slip over the toe of my boot, which that is not nearly big enough. But for this demonstration purpose, we'll get real close because we're right here by this camera. But I'm going to put a loop in it. You could do a lark's head or whatever you would like to hold it in place, and then you would just loop it over something. So I have a screw right there, and I'm going to take this in and put it over the screw. Sorry, my agua purificada. But you just put it over something. It could have been this, or I could have tied it around that. There's lots of options for this. And then you pull it. Watch out. Oh, I got too crunk. But you pull it tight. And when you pull it tight, you can strop. Very similar to a strop you would see at the barbershop. I don't know if you guys are familiar with a good cleanup at a barbershop. We have one, well, in the town I used to live in. It was called Smitty's. It was just full of old men all the time in there talking. Seems like they got their hair cut like twice a week, it seemed like. But they each had an old school strop for their straight razors that they would show you with. Super good haircuts. But anyway, this gives you your strop, a fine stone, and a, like I said, I added this in the end, but this is a good little bit. It's fun too, on top of just being useful. JC's made some pretty cool stuff. He made the leather sheaths for my for the Special Forces shovels, the Cold Steel shovels. He made some really nice level leather covers for those. He made a really awesome leather strap carry system for the Grail. Really awesome pieces. He makes awesome backpacks. I have a backpack he had sent me to play with that I just haven't got around to doing a whole lot with. But he makes some really nice gizmos and gadgets. But this is his, he dreamt this up and created it. He said there was people asking questions, but that's it. It's just a kind of one-piece kit option. So it, you know, it would have your stone, and you could throw the width of it. You could put one of those credit card size diamond sharpeners in here also if you wanted to, but this will do most anything that you need a small field kit to do. Pretty sweet, neat little piece of kit. All right, guys, I was going to share, for those of you that asked, that is the field maintenance kit from Messer Custom Leathercraft. Again, we appreciate it, guys. We got lots of stuff to do, so we'll be coming down the line. I appreciate all the subscriptions that you guys get. I used some of my YouTube money to buy this fancy board here, so we wouldn't have to worry about running and looking for a tape measure anymore. We just got our measurements right there. Now if we can just multiply my YouTube money by like 1 million, that would be good, and I would appreciate that. But hey, look, y'all have a good weekend. Later.